Okay, we're at the Paul Johnson State Park, located in the DeSoto National Forest. And we are going to take you through this park because it is absolutely gorgeous here. Hey guys, we're out here kayaking on a lake in the DeSoto National Forest at the Paul J. Johnson State Park. Not 100% if that's the correct name or not because I'm on the lake and I can't be sure, but I'm pretty sure. But yeah, they have 130 something campsites. When we got here, they had 87 of them available, so you pretty much have your pick. We are actually over there, right on the corner, with our campsite, with a nice view of the water, which is nice. It was only $25 a night, and the website said they were all booked up. But it's more of a come in, what would you call it?
Walk-in.
Oh, walk-in basis or drive-in basis, because like I said, the website said no availabilities. We got here and they had 87 available, so definitely give them a call if you ever see the website saying they're all stocked up, because most likely they're not. So yeah, we're enjoying the Intex, the new Intex kayak on this wonderful lake, enjoying the views because we're sick of the truck view. Alright, so stay tuned because tomorrow we're going to be heading into Louisiana. Alright, have a good night. I know we will. Bye.